Hi, Mr. Hardbody. How are you today? Well, I know how you are. I just got back from seeing you. Today we're going to have a bit of a musical video. And I think we might, pick it up a tiny bit.
Lace up your shoes. Here's how we do. Run, baby, run. Don't ever look back. They'll tear us apart if you give them the chance. Don't sell your heart. Don't say we're not meant to be. Run, baby, run. Forever will be you and me.
And maybe we can have a bit of your favorite The Phrase song. Don't hate me if I ruined it for you.
Lost and insecure. You found me lying on the floor. Surrounded, why'd you have to wait? Where were you, just a little late? You found me.
Could we perhaps even have some Broadway?
Each night it's like fantastic tossing, turning without rest. Cause my days at the piano with my teacher and her breasts. And the music's like the one thing I can even get it all. And those breasts, I mean, God, please just let those apples fall. It's the bitch of living. With nothing going on. Just the bitch of living. Asking what went wrong. Do they think we want this? Oh, who knows?
See the showering kitchen glass.
Bobby Mailer, he's the best. Looks so nasty in those khakis.
Got my whole life like some test. Then there's Mariana wheeling, as if she'd return my call.
It's like just kiss some ass, man. Then you can screw 'em all.
Wait, that last one was such a bitch to edit. I don't know why. Maybe because it's called The Bitch of Living. I don't know. It's not like I'm not even trying to be funny. It was so hard to edit. I don't have the internet right now, but I'm going to edit this and hopefully by then I'll have the internet. I hope you enjoyed this, Miss Hardbody. I'll see you tomorrow, maybe? I don't think I do, no. Tomorrow I think we make a video together, or the Jonas Brothers do. I'm not really sure who does. But, bye! Hey, I'm back again because, number one, I looked really, depressed and shit when I was doing it, and that's probably because I had a headache at that point, but I don't anymore. I also have ramen over there. And also, I called you Miss Hardbody when you are definitely Mr. Hardbody right now. And I had something else, but I can't remember what it was. Oh, I still don't have the internet, but I'll get it. Okay, now, bye! Totally stealing that from Steve.